welcome back to Gapey's AeroGarden. As I showed you in the last video, this Peperomia pellucida just is not doing very well in the AeroGarden, so I'm going to be taking that out today and replacing it with some fennel. So first we're going to take this guy out of here. As you can see, there's not any roots at all, and I'm not going to reuse this medium. I'm going to use Rockwool. So I'm going to take that out. And Rockwool usually comes in these little cubes, so this is too big to fit into this cup here. So I'm going to actually cut this up into smaller pieces. So I'm going to cut it in half, and I'm going to cut it in half again. So that should be good, and I'm going to fluff this up a little bit. Just kind of break it up. Okay, there we go. And then we'll just stick it in here. It's not going to go as far down as the other one, but that should hopefully be good enough. And then we'll just put our seeds right on top. I'm going to be using this bronze fennel variety. There's two types of fennel, one that actually gets the bulbs and one that's just an herb that does not bulb. So we don't want to use a bulbing variety in the AeroGarden, so I'm going to be using this one that will not get a bulb. So I'm just going to get a few seeds out of here. It's probably too many. We'll put maybe 5 or 6 in there. I'm going to get the scissors and kind of cut this up a little bit. Poke some holes in the top. And then we'll put our fennel seeds right in the middle there. Just kind of push them down a little bit. Poke some more holes. Okay. Alright, so we got about 5 or 6 seeds in here. And we'll just push it down just a little bit and then put it back in the AeroGarden. Okay. Almost forgot to add the little dome, so that'll help keep the moisture in. It's been 7 days since I started the fennel, and you can see there's a lot of moisture under the dome. Let's take the dome off and see what we have. I don't see anything at the moment. Let's take a closer look. So it looks like there's a little brown spot there that might be something. Let me point that out. Right there. I think that's a little seed that's germinated. I don't see anything else. But maybe by next week we'll see something else. So the rest of the AeroGarden is doing pretty good. I've actually done some harvesting. I did make a salad dressing out of some of these herbs. I used the thyme, the chervil, and some mint, and it turned out pretty good. Well, that's it for this week. Maybe I'll do another update next week and show you how the fennel's doing. Thanks for watching.